Want to collect home improvement and design professional leads from Houzz without copying profiles one by one? With LeadStal's Houzz email finder and scraper, you can build targeted home service lead lists in just a few clicks. Start by opening any Houzz professionals directory or profile page. For example, you can browse architects, interior designers, general contractors, design build firms, kitchen remodelers, bathroom remodelers, landscapers, or remodeling companies. Then click the purple LeadStal Generate Leads button. The extension will scan available Houzz listings and collect public business information into a clean, organized lead table. You can capture business names, phone numbers, emails when available, websites, locations, profile summaries, business details, social media links, and other public profile information. It also supports multi-page scraping, so you can collect more professional leads faster from Houzz directory pages. Once your lead list is ready, export everything into a clean CSV file with one click. Then use that CSV in your CRM, outreach tool, sales workflow, marketing campaign, or partnership pipeline. That's it. Open Houzz, click Generate Leads, collect public professional data, and export your CSV. LeadStal helps you build targeted home improvement lead lists faster, cleaner, and smarter.